Well, good morning. Um, I'm Mary Lou from Cruising 2. I'm missing my other half. Ken is busy closing up the camper. We thought we'd have a chance to do this together, but it takes a lot to close the camper up. It's October 1st. We're leaving Carolwood's RV park where we've been all summer in the heat. Although we've had some beautiful days here the last few days. It's been so nice and comfortable that we've actually met quite a few of our neighbors in our last days here who stayed inside during the heat and humidity. But anyway, a lot of helpful people. One of our young campers next to us got up on the roof because night before last we had a branch come down on the roof. It sounded terrible, but it wasn't. So we're grateful. We meet the nicest people, and that's part of what we enjoy. So we're waiting for our hauler. Ken is closing down the camper. We're headed back down to the beach. And it's also the start of planning for next summer, hopefully, to be able to finally do the narrowboat cruise. And that's kind of the fun stuff. We'll keep you informed with what we're looking at, what we're thinking about, how it's going. Let's see, we've already applied to renew our passports. We haven't heard yet, haven't gotten anything back, but hopefully it's going well. That's all. We'll let you know. I'll show you things as we progress, film a little bit as we're on the road, and talk to you later. Take care. Bye. Here we go. We're all hooked up and ready to pull out and make the trip. Takes us we think about 40 minutes. But that was our site. It was a great site except for the heat. North Carolina is very hot. Anyway, here we go to our winter stomping grounds.
There goes our home, winging its way towards Myrtle Beach. Phil picked us up about 10 minutes ago, and we're headed down that direction. It's only about a half-hour ride, so we should be there soon. It's kind of weird to see our home on the road ahead of us, but it is what it is. All right, here we are, headed down the ramp, coming off Route 22 on our way down to Myrtle Beach Travel Park.
Can you tell we're excited?
Well, he knows where he's going.
Yep.
Stayed in this lane. So it looks like from door to door here is going to be about 40 minutes. Is all it was. About 25 miles.
Beautiful golf course.
Yes. Can't really see it in the... I'll spin over there a little bit. A golf course right here.
And he knows to go in a second.
Yep.
And we're the only ones checking in.
We are a little early.
Do you think there'll be an issue?
No.
So here we go. We're in our spot. Phil and Ken are working getting it settled in, putting the blocks underneath, but I'm back with my palm trees out my bedroom window. It's very crowded. The park is really very, very crowded. But we're happy. We're happy to be back. And we will catch you up later. Take care. Bye.
Hi everybody, it's Ken from Cruising 2, and since Mary Lou did the intro, I am going to do the exit. We are at Myrtle Beach, and just a few things going on, really not a lot. It's been quiet, and we've been kind of, following the COVID restrictions and trying to self-isolate as much as possible. Mary Lou did mention in the intro that we had to renew our passports, and they went off. It took just about 3 months to get them back, which is about twice as long as normal, but we do have them, so that's done. Also, the other good news that we have is that we have had both our COVID shots. We got the first one, and then 3 weeks later got the second one. Had a small reaction to the second one. Mary Lou didn't seem to have really any reaction. My arm was pretty sore, probably the sorest it's ever been from a vaccination. So, and that lasted just a few days, and so far so good. So, we're starting to plan for our summer on a canal boat in England. As you may know, last year we did not make it because of COVID, so it was postponed to this summer. And we are in the midst of doing some plans. We'll get to more of that later on another video. But hopefully things will have improved enough that we will be able to go. Please give us a thumbs up if you like the video. If you could subscribe, that would be great too. It doesn't cost anything, it doesn't create any problems, and there's a little bell icon that you can click if you want to be notified when new videos are posted. We really appreciate any comments you might have. We should be able to answer quite a few questions, especially about full-time RVing, as now we're into our 4th year of being full-time RVers. Things did not go exactly as we had planned, but we've kind of rolled with the punches, and we can offer a lot of insights, both to people who are thinking about full-time RVing, especially people who are retired and looking at it as a way to spend some of their retirement years. Also, if you do have comments, we're talking about possibly answering them in our videos. So please comment below, and hopefully we'll talk to you soon. Again, thank you for watching, and have a great day.